What are the basic qualities for IT career?
The basic qualities depend on the exact career that you are looking for, right? Typically, IT career is taken as development or programming. That's the most visible part of IT career. So everybody who wants to come to IT aspires to be a programmer. So if you ask me what are the basic qualities for being a programmer, then the answer is fairly simple. You need to have a structured thinking kind of approach. If you are good in mathematics, maybe that's a good prerequisite that you may have that kind of structured thinking. Because I've seen that some people just don't get the concept of programming. Maybe they have graduated from institutes with a computer science degree, but still they just get completely confused when there is some source code that comes in front of them and they don't know what to do. So the structured thinking is anyway a must, right? And the other would be the love for technology, right? That is very important because especially in IT career, this is a field where you have to learn continuously. The learning never stops. Even if you are close to your retirement, some new technologies, some new things always keep coming up, and you're not going to stop your learning. In fact, if you stop, you're dead. Thambala to sambala. That's the Marathi way of saying it. No, so that was basically, those are the three things. Yeah. So the preparation to be constantly learning, for which you also require the love for the computers and this kind of thing. And of course, the first thing that I said is structured thinking. So those are the three things that you need.